For most of human history, the night sky appeared quiet. But in the 20th century, we realized that our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. With billions of other galaxies scattered throughout the cosmos, the sheer volume of stars suggests that habitable worlds and advanced civilizations should be statistically common. This creates the Fermi Paradox, the disturbing scientific question of why, if intelligent life is mathematically guaranteed, we have found absolutely no evidence of it. Without a single ship or intercepted message, the persistent silence of the universe underscores a profound uncertainty about humanity's isolation. By the 1960s, scientists realized that searching for life required more than just looking through a lens. It required listening for invisible radio waves. At Ohio State University, astronomers built a massive radio telescope nicknamed Big Ear, designed specifically to scan the sky for artificial transmissions. Researchers focused on a frequency connected to hydrogen. As the most common element in the universe, it provides a logical standard that any intelligent species might use for long-distance communication. For years, the telescope recorded nothing but the random, natural static emitted by stars and distant gas clouds. Detecting a deliberate, artificial radio burst would serve as physical proof that humanity is not alone in the dark. On the night of August 15, 1977, that silence finally broke when Big Ear captured an intense 72-second burst of radio energy. Days later, astronomer Jerry R. Ehman sat down to review the computer printouts generated during the event. He found a specific sequence, 6EQU5, representing a massive spike in signal intensity. Stunned by the data, he circled the code in red ink and wrote a single word, "Wow." This transmission was thousands of times stronger than the low-level background radiation the telescope typically recorded. The recording provided a specific, quantifiable anomaly that defied immediate explanation, forcing astronomers to begin a forensic search for its source. Analysis showed the signal was entirely narrowband, meaning it was focused into a specific frequency range. Natural cosmic phenomena usually broadcast in a messy, widespread pattern. This signal, however, appeared as a sharp vertical spike, the hallmark of a targeted broadcast. By calculating the telescope's movement, researchers traced the signal's trajectory directly into deep space. The path mathematically ruled out Earth-based satellites, aircraft, or local military interference. The data pinpointed the origin to the constellation Sagittarius. This direction points toward the dense, star-filled center of the Milky Way galaxy. This region contains billions of potential star systems, many of which may host habitable worlds. With the signal localized to deep space and confined to a precise frequency, astronomers faced a transmission that mirrored the characteristics of an engineered broadcast. But science requires more than a single observation. Extraordinary discoveries must be repeated to be confirmed as truth. For decades, astronomers have pointed modern telescopes at those exact coordinates in Sagittarius, listening for any sign of a return message. Instead, they have found absolutely nothing. No repeated message, no detectable civilization, no second first, just an empty sky. While theories involving comets or unknown natural events have been proposed, none fully match the signal's strength and frequency profile. This creates a permanent paradox. The event cannot be officially accepted because it hasn't happened again, yet it cannot be explained away as a natural occurrence. This lack of repetition may be a matter of timing. On a cosmic scale, humanity has possessed radio technology for barely a century. Advanced civilizations could rise and vanish millions of years apart, their brief windows of existence never overlapping with ours. The wow signal suggests that for 72 seconds, our timelines briefly intersected. We may have heard a voice from across the galaxy, only to have it disappear back into the silence.